I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows first. This is not new, but this is my first time trying it. This is the Ruby Kisses Gold Brow Eyebrow Pomade, and I got the color dark brown. I'm going to go ahead and carve out my brows. I'm going to use the Nicka Perfection multi-use concealer. So the beauty supply store came out with some new eyeshadows. You guys see me haul this in my vlog. It say Buy Me Rose, but I feel like they wanted to say Buy Me Rose, because Buy Me Rose don't sound right, but I don't know what y'all think. But anyways, I got this palette, and then I got Give Me Gold, and then I got Make Me Nude, and I got the Rainbow palette. Now I had intentions on using the Rainbow palette, but the Rainbow palette is gonna take me time, because the look that I want to do calls for multiple colors, and I kind of don't feel like it right now. But I will do a video on the Rainbow palette. I'm going to say I'm going to be basic and do the nude palette. But I could do the gold. Let's do the gold palette. Let's do that right quick. So I'm going to take the LA Color Pro Flat White Concealer. I'm going to take that, and I'm using that as my base to prime my eyes. First shade I'm going to use is this brown shade here. This one is called Private Beach. Oh, this is a nice brown. I want to try this color right here. It's called Winter. I'm gonna try Winter. Winter is like this. Ooh, wait, it feels so good. Oh my god, look at that. That's cute. So we're gonna try that on the lid. I wonder, should I do like a glitter glue? Just gonna try to pack it. You might have to pack this color. I mean, it's still pretty. It's given. It's not really picking up too much. Let me try my finger. I don't like using my finger. Okay, it's better with the finger. I don't know why. I just don't like using my finger with eyeshadows. But your fingers are your best tools. But with eyeshadow, I don't know why. I just prefer to use a brush. But as you guys can see, the finger is way better. It picks up the color way better than this brush is doing. I am going to go back and forth with the brush and just kind of get in those corners. So I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Legacy, and I'm going to take an angled brush, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges. And this is just going to bring a little warmth to the look, just to warm it up. Right there, you see? So that's going to serve as like our peekaboo shade. And we're just using that to blend out the edges. So I have this blue here. It's called Splash. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I have the Absolute New York Second Skin Primer Drops, and this is the mattifying version. Y'all, I'm so excited to try this out because, girl, if I could get it for cheap. Ooh, now wait. Wow. You know, the level of disrespectful that was. And you know what? I don't even know why I started on my forehead like that. I don't even know why I did that. That was stupid on my part. This is watery. What the hell? This one feels kind of oily too. I don't know where the mattifying comes in at. That just pissed me off. And it got all in my brows. I gotta cut back to my brows anyway. Like, where did the brow go? I mean, it came down like a waterfall. I didn't ask for that now. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Absolute New York 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. And I have the color Warm Cognac.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Money, how present turns past. I fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me.
I picked up the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I am a decade late. I'm probably the only girl that never tried this powder.
Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change on my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes and when.
Okay, so I'm going to try out this Nicka K Mineral Stick Foundation in the color Chocolate. So I'm going to use this to bronze or contour my face. So this is what it looks like. So that is more like a bronzer on me. So, all right, let's try it. This kind of feels a little oily. I don't really see it too much. I do have this Absolute New York Blur FX foundation stick in the color Coffee. All right, I'm gonna have to put my brush onto this. It's kind of big. I mean, is it showing up? Child, I don't see nothing. Am I tweaking? I hope I don't look like no fool putting all this product on, but we just planning makeup. Okay, this look like this might work. Yeah, I'm gonna set that with my Hard Candy bronzer. This is not from the Beauty Supply store, but it's just something that I've already been using. So I'm just gonna set that with my bronzer since we use cream product. I want to set my face with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder in mocha, and I did get this from my local beauty supply store. Alright, so I'm going back into the palette and I'm going to take this color Gold Digger and I'm going to put that underneath my waterlines for a little sparkle, a little gold. This is a shimmer shade. I got some mascara on my cheek. I learned this little trick from Instagram. If you take a spoolie and just kind of, it'll pick up the mascara like that. You just kind of turn it. It'll pick it up. You guys see how it's disappearing? So you won't mess up your makeup. You kind of go over it with your finger, foundation brush, and just go over it. So yeah, it's gone. If you ever have that problem, just take your spoolie and just kind of pick it up with it. I'm going to add some of this glitter up here. It's called Dig It. I want to add some of that on top. Ooh. Okay, that's cute. I'm just using a sponge applicator. I'm just adding some of that on top. This eyeshadow feels like cupcake icing. It feels like cupcake icing. It feels like snow, like the texture of it. So you definitely need a glitter glue with this. But I mean, it's sticking very well on top of that eyeshadow. I'm back, so I kind of want to touch up my eyebrows because as you guys seen, they got messed up a little bit. So I kind of want to touch them up just a tad bit. I want to add a little blush. So this is from Princessa. This is their blush palette. I got this from the beauty supply too, like sometime last year. So I think I'm going to use this color called Frankly Magenta. I'm going to use that shade. It's a pretty shade. This palette was only $1 at my local beauty supply store. Yeah, it was just something random that I found. So I'm going to take this shade right here. It just has a dollar sign. Use a sponge applicator and just take the tip of it and add that. And that's going to be my gold for this here look. For my lips, I have these lip oils from Absolute New York. I already tried this one on, but I'm pretty sure all of them are clear. Well, this is clear, obviously. This one is clear. It's like a sheer shade. But this one I haven't tried on. I'm going to see if it's pigmented, but I doubt it is. Oh, yeah, look. Oh, this smells good. It smells like a fruit punch candy or something. Oh, it got a little pigment. That's actually really pretty. And this is going to be perfect for summer. Like if you don't want to wear nothing heavy on the lips, but you still want something cute and girly and pouty. This is cute. I'm not going to apply highlighter because, I mean, I could add this color right here. It's called Dubai. Ooh. I don't know. Let's try it. Ooh. Okay, Dubai. I forgot to try this. Picked this up from the beauty supply store too. This is the Blur plus Mattify Real Techniques Satin Finish Blend Extender. So I'm supposed to shake it up and then spray it on your face. You're supposed to use this before your makeup, or you can use it after. But so this is the final look with me using the Give Me Gold palette, and I basically just kind of used the blue shades that's in this hair palette, and it turned out cute. It turned out cute. What do you guys think? The only thing that I would change is the gold underneath the eyes. I was just trying to add some gold because this is claims to be a gold palette. I am really impressed by that lip oil. I didn't think it was going to have like a color to it. I thought it was going to be sheer. If you guys are new here and you like affordable makeup, and you know we do all those things here, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.